In the case of Congressman Saldico, yes, he is willing to be a witness. Kung hindi man siya napayagan sa Blue Ribbon Committee na mag-zoom, and we have done that, alam niyo ho yan, under suspended rules, pinapayagan natin yan. Kung magagawa ito sa impeachment at naniniwala silang dapat malaman ang katotohanan, at siyempre bigyan din ang pagkakataon ng Presidente na sumagot dito sa mga charges na nandito, Saldico is willing to testify on our behalf doon sa graft and corruption issue at sa lahat na nalaman niyang bigay ng pera maging yung pagkaayos ng budget, hindi ang program allocation. Sinalaw nila to and we are given a chance to consolidate and to have the witnesses. Saldico will be one of our major witness.
Add ko lang bakit si Saldico is the best witness sa kickbacks issue ng aming complaint. He is a co-conspirator and under the rules of evidence, a co-conspirator can be presented as a witness. Kaya hindi nila pwede sabihin walang alam si Saldico. Siya may alam. And besides, he's the former chair of the Appropriations Committee of the House of Representatives.